With my own out of the way, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with a little dress for Inaya. These are the pieces that I had left over, and I had more of a bigger piece left over and then some small pieces, and I had to join some little bits of pieces just in the on the upper waist area, just to give it this added bit of extra shape. So that's the panels joined on, and it's just a straight kurta, and then the sleeves I also had to join little pieces inside them, and I've joined the pieces, cut the sleeves to shape, and basically just closed them off. And this needs neckline doing, so what we're going to do is two things. One is iron on a little bit of fairly lightweight interfacing onto this, and make this, I'll just do an open at the front because that way it will save me from, and I'm going to put lace on it anyway, so I just need a piece of interfacing. Any cut out piece will do, something like this. And on this I'm just going to cut out the, I'll tell you what I'm going to do. This is actually a good enough piece to cut an adult's neckline. So what we're going to do is cut the adult's neckline, which I'm sure will come useful somewhere. That's an adult's version. And then this piece that I've got left over is sufficient to do Inaya's.